In this video, I'm going to remind you how to use ezbib.com in order to cite your sources. Let's say I wanted to cite this book called What Does the President Do? By Kathleen Connors on ezbib. To start, I would go to the ezbib.com website and choose Create a Citation. Since I want to cite a book, even a digital book, I'm going to choose Book as my source, and then find my book by typing in the title. What does the president do? After I search for that book, I want to take a quick look through these titles and figure out which one is the one I was using. Remember, the author's name was Kathleen Connors, and this one tells me that this book has the last name of the author is Connors, so this is the book I used. It asks me to review the information and click Continue. Step 3 asks if you want to add any extra information in these boxes. That is not going to be required for this year for me. So you may complete citation down here. Once the citation is complete, it is going to show up in your Works Cited section. As you can see, I've already cited a bunch of other books about the legislative and judicial and executive branches. Those all show up together, but the new one is highlighted in green. When I go to it, I can easily click here, Copy Bibliography Citation, and it's going to copy all the information that I need. The very last step to this process will be to click Paste in the Google Doc that I have with my group. Command V will paste, and now I have a complete citation here ready to use. When you are working as a group, the books only need to be cited once. If I'd like to cite a website, let's say I used this website about the legislative branch, and I'd like to cite it in my sources. Up at the top of the website, you have the link to the website. This is something you're going to need to copy. So I'm going to do Command C to copy. And in ezbib, I'll go back to the beginning, creating a new citation. This time, I'm going to start with a website. You can find your website by entering the link in the search bar. Command V will paste the link that I've copied, and I will click Search. This one usually only comes up with one if you've copied the link correctly, and it's right here. I'm going to choose that to cite, review the information quickly, and click Continue. ezbib tells me that it couldn't find some of the information, and I could add it manually if I want to, but I'm going to just click Complete Citation. Now in my citation list, I have a new one that's highlighted. You can tell it is a website with a link below. I'm going to copy this one, just the same as I did the other one, and go back to my Google Doc and Command V to paste. Now I have both of those resources cited in MLA format. If you have any questions while using ezbib, ask your partners first, and then ask a teacher.